Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost of Tsushima on PC. First, you'll need to decide which platform you prefer, as it's available on both Steam and the Epic Games Store. Once you've chosen, navigate to the game's page on your selected store. Before purchasing, always double-check that your computer meets the game's minimum system specifications to ensure a smooth experience. This will prevent any performance issues later on. After selecting your preferred store, proceed to add Ghost of Tsushima to your shopping cart. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase securely. Once the transaction is successful, the game will automatically be added to your digital library on either Steam or the Epic Games Store. From there, simply locate the game in your library and initiate the download. The download size is significant, so ensure you have ample storage space. Once the download is complete, the game will typically begin its installation process automatically. If not, you can manually start the installation from your game library. After installation, you're ready to launch Ghost of Tsushima for the first time. Before diving into the adventure, take a moment to explore the graphics settings. Adjust them to best suit your PC's capabilities for the smoothest and most visually appealing gameplay. To ensure the best experience, always keep your game and graphics drivers updated. Developers frequently release patches and performance improvements. While keyboard and mouse work, many players find a controller offers a more immersive experience for this type of game. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial literacy, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. Enjoy your journey as the Ghost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.